Bird poop on a car is more than just an ugly stain. It can actually damage your car's paint if it is not cleaned quickly. Here are some different easy and effective ways to remove bird poop stains. Car shampoo is specially made for safely cleaning vehicle surfaces. Spray the water and shampoo solution over the affected area, making sure to properly cover each stain. Let it sit for a few minutes. Finally, rinse the surface thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining soap. Make sure no shampoo residue is left behind, as it can cause streaks or spots when it dries. Vinegar helps remove bird poop from a car by breaking down the stain and loosening it for easy cleaning without damaging the paint. Soak some kitchen paper in vinegar and place it over the bird poop stain. This helps to soften and loosen the dried stain, so it becomes easier to clean. Leave it for a few minutes so the vinegar can break down the residue. After that, gently wipe the area with kitchen paper. Car Quick Detailer sprays help remove bird poop by quickly loosening the stain and lifting it safely without damaging the paint. Place a paper towel over the stain and spray the detailing spray on it. This helps keep the solution in contact with the stain so it can soften properly. Leave it for a few seconds to break down the dirt. Then gently remove the paper towel and wipe the area with a microfiber cloth. WD-40 can also help remove bird poop from a car's surface by softening and loosening the dried stain. Spray a small amount directly on the affected area and let it sit for a few seconds. This allows the residue to break down, making it easier to wipe off without scrubbing hard. Gently clean the area with a soft microfiber cloth. After cleaning, wash and rinse the spot with soap and water to remove any oily residue. Baking soda can help remove bird poop from a car by gently breaking down the stain without damaging the paint. Make a solution of baking soda and car wash shampoo. Spray it over the stain and let it sit for a few minutes to loosen the dirt. Then gently wipe it off with kitchen paper or a soft cloth. Finally, rinse the area with clean water to remove any remaining residue. A heat gun can help remove bird poop from a car by softening the dried stain so it becomes easier to clean. Use it carefully on a low setting and keep it at a safe distance from the paint. Gently warm the affected area for a few seconds to loosen the residue. Be careful not to overheat the surface, as it may damage the paint. Always move the heat gun continuously to avoid concentrating heat in one spot. After that, wipe it off with a soft microfiber cloth. Spray Goo Gone over the affected area and let it sit for a short time. Then gently wipe it off with a clean towel to remove the stain. If needed, repeat the process for stubborn spots. It helps break down the residue and makes cleaning easier without harsh scrubbing. Bird dropping wipes are specially designed for quick and easy cleaning of bird poop from car surfaces. They are pre-moistened, so you can use them directly without any extra solution. Just take a wipe and gently clean the stained area. These wipes help lift the stain quickly without scratching the paint. They are very convenient for use during travel or emergencies. They also help prevent the stain from drying and sticking harder to the surface. Bug and tar remover spray is also effective for removing bird droppings from car surfaces. It helps break down stubborn, dried stains and makes them easier to wipe away. Spray it directly on the affected area and let it sit for a short time. Then gently clean with a soft microfiber cloth. It works quickly without damaging the car paint when used properly. It also helps restore a clean and smooth finish to the surface. By following these simple methods, you can keep your car clean, shiny, and protected from permanent stains.